Today we're making chocolate marshmallow sandwich completely from scratch. No thermometer, no special equipment, just simple ingredients and a foolproof method. Start by preparing the gelatin base. In a bowl, add 7 teaspoons of unflavored gelatin powder and pour in the same amount of hot water. Mix well until fully dissolved, then set it aside to harden slightly while you prepare the sugar syrup. In a pot, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with half a cup of water. Squeeze in the juice of half a small lemon. Since we're not using a thermometer, test the syrup by dropping a tiny amount into a bowl of water. If it forms a soft, stringy ball, it's ready. Transfer the prepared gelatin into a large, heat-safe bowl. Slowly pour the hot sugar syrup into the gelatin while whisking continuously using an electric mixer. A stand mixer works best here, but a hand mixer will also do. Keep whisking until the mixture transforms into a silky, white, fluffy marshmallow with lots of volume. Dust a square dish generously with corn flour. Marshmallow sets fast, so if it begins to firm up, lightly wet your spoon or fingers with water to help nudge it into place. Finish by dusting the top lightly with corn flour. Next, repeat the gelatin and sugar syrup process. This time, once the marshmallow mixture is about halfway whipped, add 1 sachet of cocoa powder. Continue whisking until the chocolate marshmallow becomes firm, glossy and fluffy. Pour this layer directly on top of the first white marshmallow layer and smooth it out. Repeat the process one final time to create another plain white marshmallow layer, pouring it carefully over the chocolate layer to form a beautiful marshmallow sandwich. Allow the marshmallow to set at room temperature for at least 12 hours. The next day, once fully set, dust the surface again with corn flour, remove the marshmallow from the dish and cut it into neat cubes using a sharp knife. And there you have it! A perfectly fluffy chocolate marshmallow sandwich with soft, airy layers and a rich cocoa center. If you enjoyed this easy homemade marshmallow recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more dessert ideas, and share this with anyone who loves classic sweet treats made from scratch.